Okay, this is to help with homework question number 8 from section 9.4 about arithmetic series. And so again, a series is trying to add up the terms, and here we're adding up 8, and it's arithmetic pattern because we're going down 2 each time. So the formula for arithmetic sum is the number of terms divided by 2, and then you have to add the first term and the last term. So in this one, we have everything we need actually. Sometimes you have to figure out like what term number this is it the 10th, 11th, whatever. But in this case, we know it goes 1, 2, 3, and then they tell us there's 8 terms. So that we know the negative 13 has to be the 8th term. So our formula is just 8 terms divided by 2, first term of 1 plus the last term of negative 13. And so just clean that up and we get 4 times negative 12. So the sum of all these terms, not surprising, is a negative number, negative 48. All right, hope that helps.